Hey everybody, Mr. B here, and welcome to the channel. I'm going to do a Southern style goulash for supper tonight. This is quintessential Appalachian soul food. Might not be exactly what you're thinking if you're not from the South. In any case, it's perfect on a cold night, any time of the year, really. Now, I'm not going to be talking through this one. Everything you need to know to make this hearty dish, you will find in the description with a link to my website. So let's get to cooking. Let's go.